Welcome back to the channel. Today is July 9. We're trying to solve the questions of average waiting time. So given an array that contains of two things, which include arrival time and the time to prepare the order. So we're going to return the average waiting time for each customer. So it would just be, let's say customer 1 arrived at 1, and then the prep time is 2. So let's say 2 minutes. So you get the food ready by 3 minutes, and then we will see that the waiting time is 2 minutes. And then the next person, the customer, come in type 2, and then the chef takes his order, but it only start preparing at time 3 when he's done with the previous order, right? So and then we just sum up all the waiting time, and then we divide by how many customers are there to get an average waiting time. All right. So I think of two cases where you can see the arrival time before the finish time, or the arrival time is after the finish time, right? So if the arrival time is after the finish time or equals to the finish time, you can just start preparing the food, right? So your finish time of the new thing will just be the current arrival time plus the prep time. While if you arrive before something else is finished, so your finish time of new finish time will be starting at the current finish time plus the prep time. So you get a new finish time. And then total waiting time is always that your time finish of your item minus your arrival time. Let's say I arrive at time 2, but then my stuff is finished at time 8. So my waiting time will be 8 minus 2, regardless whether my stuff is actually start doing at like 5. Let's say I arrive at 2. It doesn't matter where I start waiting. My stuff is starting doing at 4 or 5. I just care about like when is it actually done, right? So let's dive into the code. So I'll first derive the total waiting time equals 0, and then I will say total customers. So you can do the division layer to be the length of customers. And I will say, I'll also define a finish time, and I'll initialize it to 0. So for I in range of the customers, I will say arrival time to be equals to customers I, and then remember we're getting the first item, though this is 0, and then we can say prep time. Oh, Oreo. I love Oreo. Prep time equals to customers I1. So we can say if arrival is greater equals to arrival time, is greater is equals to the finish time, which the first case it is, right? So the arrival time is 1 and then finish time is 0. So in this case, our finish time will be equals to arrival time plus the prep time. Otherwise, we'll just use the current the previous finish times plus the prep time, which you can say this to be plus equals. Means since we need to wait until the previous thing to be finished, so you just use the previous thing that's finish time plus your prep time, and then you get your order finish time, right? So in the end, we just need to total waiting time, just plus equals to finish time minus the arrival time. And then I think that's it. Okay, I think this should be inside of a for loop. And then we'll just return total waiting time divide by total customers. Let's run it. All right, it's looking good. No errors. Let's submit it. Oh, sorry, 744 milliseconds, bit 66.32%. So it will be off N. Yep, because we just passed through the length of the customer once. All right, how you have a great day. See you all tomorrow.